Welcome students. In this session, we will know how to test open circuit, short circuit, continuity and earthing of a hermetic compressor.
Objectives. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to test open circuit, short circuit and continuity using clamp meter. Test open circuit, short circuit and continuity using test clamp. Test for proper earth connection using a clamp meter. Test the circuit using clamp meter. Now, let's take a look at the tools, equipment and consumables. Clamp meter, insulator plier, line tester, 200 watts test lamp, hermetic compressor, soap and brush, clean cloth, test board. Now, let us see the processes like test open, short, continuity and earth of a hermetic compressor. Take off the cover that's on the compressor's connection box. Unclip the wires from the connection points. Grab your clamp meter and turn the knob to the resistance setting. Use one end of the clamp meter to touch the C point and the other end to touch the R point. Now, move the meter's end from R and touch it to S. Switch the clamp meter's end from C back to R and see the reading on the screen. By doing this, you are checking how the electricity flows through the parts. If everything is working right, that is, if you see some resistance or continuity, then the compressor is good to go. Take off the main cover of the unit. Open the cover that's on the compressor's connection box. Unclip the wires from the compressor and mark them so you know where each goes. Get a test lamp with a 200 watt bulb ready. Plug this test lamp into the test board. Turn on the test lamp. Touch one wire to C and the other wire to R, that is the center and right pin. If the bulb shines bright, it means the running winding continuity is working well. Next, move the wire from the R and touch it to S, that is from the right side pin to the left side pin. If the bulb shines but not too bright, it means the starting winding continuity is doing good. Finally, switch the wire from C to R, that is from center to right side. If the bulb barely glows, it tells us both the running and starting windings are working fine. Now, let us see the process of testing earth circuit using clamp meter. Turn the clamp meter dial to the home meter setting and select RX 10000. Place the A probe firmly on the compressor's terminal. Place the B probe to a clean part of the metal casing of the compressor. Look at the clamp meter screen. If it shows a reading of 0 or very low resistance, then the compressor is properly grounded. If you get any other reading or no reading at all, it means there is an issue with the grounding of the compressor.
Recap. In this topic, we came to know about how to check for open circuits, short circuits and continuity using a clamp meter. We also explored the same tests using a test lamp. How to ensure a proper earth connection using the clamp meter. Lastly, we practiced testing circuits with the clamp meter. I hope everyone understood how to test for open circuits, short circuits, continuity, and the earth connection of a hermetic compressor. Thank you, students, and let's meet in the next session. Bye.